What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you are fine now friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of StormX coin, and a lot of people message me that kindly what's the next target of StormX, please tell us. So finally I decided to make a video for my favorites, for my subscriber. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. If you look the current price of the StormX, so the current price of Storm is about 0.056659 USD dollar is the current price of Storm in this time friends. And if you look the change occurred in Storm, so the change is about last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week 1 week change is also a negative friends. So that is why as I told you that in the previous last 1 day 2 days they take a high jump and move again upward friends. So that is why a lot of people message me that what should they do, at is the best time to buy, sell or hold at this time, because the change is positive. That is why they ask me that what is the best time, buy or sell or hold. So finally I decided let's check the technical analysis and try to detect the next target. After that I will give you my suggestion that what's the best time friends. The last 1 hour change is about 1.29% and the high price is about 0.057337 USD dollar is the last 1 hour high price friends. As you can see here, this time they again falls down friends. The funding period of the StormX starts now friends, but don't worry, I think it's a later time friends. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes in StormX in the last 1 day friends. After that we look at technical analysis, and after that we decide that what's the next target friends. Oh my god, absolutely a good change occurring in StormX. A lot of people why tell me that's a good change occurring in StormX. So what should they do, buy or sell or hold? So as you can see here, the last 1 day change is about 21.1% positive, and the price is about 0.057337 USD dollar at this time the last 1 day. And now if we look the currently price of StormX, so the currently is about 0.056324 USD dollar is the current price of StormX in the last 1 day friends. So friends, as you can see here on the graph, they are fastly move upward in the last 1 day. Absolutely good change occur, very nice. And if we do the technical analysis, the next target of the StormX, so as you can see here, if we look the technical analysis, as you can see here, let's suppose that is a support level and that is a resistance level friends. So as you can see here, there is the only jump occur in the StormX. As you can see here, now I think what's going at this time, what's going in next in the StormX. So as you can see here, now at this time they fast down, and after some fast they take a again jump friends. So don't worry about this jump. If they take a jump, so they break out the resistance level and take a high jump, and after a high jump they again fast down for a little time, and after a little fast they again take a jump. So absolutely funny period, the jumping period of the StormX starts now friends. So if you are a holder, so please hold it, because the next jump are also coming soon. So please hold StormX at this time. What's your opinion? Please kindly share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. My suggestion for all of you to please hold it. Thank you so much for watching this video.